This is a Seth Thomas Adamantine Mantel clock. This is my newest clock. I got it yesterday as a gift from my grandparents. Also got to meet the owner of the clock, the former owner of the clock. This thing was around $150, which for a clock of this type and for of its condition is a great deal in my opinion. Circa late 1890s, early to mid 1910s, maybe late 1910s, but I'm guessing around 1904, 1905 based on my research. Beautiful dial on this clock, by the way. Nice red mahogany finish on this. Nice onyx columns, good details on the pediments of the columns. Nice Corinthian design. About to go off here in a second. It's a standard 89C movement, or an 89 movement. It has the bell on the half hour, and then the passage strike bell on the half hour, and then the gong on the hour. Count wheel strikes, of course. Should go off any second now. Beautiful detailing on the front of the case as well. Same with the claw feet. I do not have a key for this, so unfortunately I cannot properly regulate it at the moment. Huh. I don't know why it only chimed once there. Well, in that case, I'll take it through the quarters for you, or take it through all the way to where it's supposed to be. Very loud chiming as well. I can hear it very clearly in my room upstairs. It also looks really nice on this mantelpiece right here. So I might keep it here for a little longer. I don't know what my mom's going to think about it. She has not been here to see this clock yet, so I don't know if she'll like that it's here. But yeah, it's not at the right time right this second, and I cannot properly regulate it at the moment either. So that's an issue. I do not have a key for this thing, so I can't really regulate it. It's got like regulating nuts on the pendulum, but it's up all the way and it's running slow. So I'm going to need some. And there's something that I believe this may not be the original pendulum to the clock either. I think that might have been a replacement at some point, the pendulum bob. So I'm gonna need an actual key, a real key, which I should be getting fairly soon to regulate it, but that probably won't be for another 2 weeks. So this thing is just gonna be all out of whack until Christmas at least. So it's a little annoying, but this is really just a beautiful clock and a beautiful piece to add, so I'm not really complaining. So, yep, this is part of another video that will be coming soon of another new clock that I've gotten. I won't spoil you as to what that is at the moment. But, yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. This is King Clock, signing out.